I'm going to show you how to set table font size in the Numbers app. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up like this. We already have a document with some tables. From here, we just click on the table that we want to edit, and here we have table font size. We can set it large text, and if we type in something here, the text is going to be large. For some reason it's not visible right now, but it's okay. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.